Hello, my student. In this video, we are going to show you how to solve the trigonometric equation. So we have one fraction on the left-hand side of the equation, and on the right-hand side of the equation, we have two terms. We have 2, and we have negative 3 over 5 tangent of x. So the first step we are going to do that we are going to subtract 2 from both sides. So therefore, now that's what we see. So on the right hand side, we will subtract 2. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out the 2 on the right hand side. I'm going to go ahead and just say minus 2, right? Minus 2. The next step we are going to do is that we are going to go ahead and subtract 2 fractions with underline the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and make this 2 become a fraction by putting a 1 in the denominator. So now on the left-hand side, we want to subtract the two fractions, but at this time we do not have same denominator. So our common denominator is 5. So therefore, the first fraction it does have 5. However, the second fraction it does not. So we go ahead and multiply by 5 to the denominator and also multiply by 5 to the numerator. So let's go ahead and write out what we have now. So now on the left-hand side, we go ahead and subtract the fraction with same denominator or with common denominator. So I'm just go ahead and just write 5 at our common denominator. For the numerator, I'm going to go ahead and copy the first numerator, so 10 plus square root of 3. For the second numerator, we take the 2 times 5, which is 10, and we go ahead and bring the minus, so the minus 10. And then you copy exactly what we have on the right hand side, which is this number with the negative side, and then times tangent of x. So now let's simplify the fraction. On the left hand side, the numerator, the plus 10 and the negative 10 or 10 minus 10 will be gone, to become a 0. So what we have left on the left hand side, which is the fraction square root of 3 over 5. On the right hand side, I'm going to go ahead and copy it down. So we have negative 3 over 5 times tangent of x. Now the next step we are going to do is that we want to go ahead and move this factor, which is the negative 3 out 5 gone. So this is multiplication. So the inverse of multiply will be divide. So we go ahead and divide both sides by negative 3 over 5. So now on the right hand side we will have tangent by itself, but on the left hand side we have fraction divided by fraction. So let's go ahead and simplify this quotient. So we'll keep the first fraction the same, which is square root of 3 over 5. And for the second fraction, we go ahead and do the reciprocal or flip it. So we go ahead and bring the minus side along, but flip the fraction, it will be 5 over 3 and equal tangent x. Now we can see right here that we can continue to simplify the 5s. So therefore we have our final answer will be tangent. Not the final answer, but at the end we will see, we actually the tangent of x. So we have tangent of x will be negative square root of 3 over 3. Now you are going to go to your unit circle table that you create, and you will look for tangent. So tangent of negative square root of 3 over 3. So here we are. So this is 1. The first one, and go to the angle with 150 degrees. If we go with degree, if we go with radian, will be 5 pi over 6. And we'll continue again. So the next angle will be 330 degrees. Okay. So we go ahead and let's write our answer in degrees. So therefore we can conclude that our answer x is 150 degrees, or x